Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel video. In this video, you will learn what Namecoin crypto means and how to invest in it. Investing in Namecoin crypto. What you need to know. Investing in cryptocurrency can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and increase your earning potential. Namecoin is an attractive option for investors due to its low cost and high potential for growth. Namecoin is an open source, decentralized cryptocurrency that allows users to store and manage their own names and other data securely and anonymously. It is the first fork of Bitcoin, and has several advantages over other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Namecoin is a great option for investors looking to get started in the world of cryptocurrency, but it's important to understand the risks and rewards associated with investing in this particular asset class. This article will provide an overview of Namecoin and what investors need to know before investing. Overview of Namecoin. Namecoin was created as an open-source, decentralized cryptocurrency back in 2011. It is the first fork of Bitcoin and has several advantages over other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin. Namecoin uses blockchain technology to create a censorship-resistant internet where users own their own data. It is an efficient, low-maintenance, and cost-effective way to store and manage data while preserving privacy. Namecoin is an open-source project that invites participation from anyone who wants to contribute. Namecoin has a fixed total supply of coins, and new coins are created when miners process transactions and secure the network. The amount of Namecoins rewarded for each block decreases over time, and the amount of computational power needed to mine Namecoins increases as well. As a result, Namecoin's network has a slow but consistent rate of growth. Back in 2011, Namecoin's creator noticed that Bitcoin's architecture made it ideal for storing and managing user data. He recreated the Bitcoin software but added a few modifications, including an increased total supply of coins and a dedicated blockchain for managing and storing user data. Namecoin's creator also changed the mining algorithm to make it harder to mine Namecoins. This made Namecoin cheaper to mine, which is one of the reasons why it is still being mined today. Namecoin has remained relevant throughout the years as a viable alternative to storing and managing data online. It has garnered a decent amount of attention and interest from investors who are looking for low-cost, high-growth potential in their portfolios. Advantages of Namecoin. Namecoin was created to address some of the issues that Bitcoin has struggled with, such as scalability, speed, and cost. Namecoin has a smaller supply than Bitcoin, which could potentially lead to increased value. Namecoin is also a faster and more scalable blockchain than Bitcoin. Namecoin is able to process more transactions per second and process them in less time than Bitcoin. Namecoin hosts its own decentralized domain name system, DNS, which means that it has the potential to replace top-level domains such as .com, .net, etc. These domains are managed by a centralized authority, and Namecoin has the potential to change this system by hosting its own decentralized DNS. The decentralized DNS that Namecoin hosts means that it can't be censored or taken down by any one entity. Risks of investing in Namecoin. Namecoin is a cryptocurrency, and like other cryptocurrencies, it has a high risk of investment loss. Namecoin's transaction costs are higher than many other cryptocurrencies, which may make it less attractive as a store of value. Namecoin has a smaller supply than Bitcoin, which could potentially lead to increased value, but it is also a slower blockchain, so it may take longer for its value to increase. Namecoin hosts its own decentralized DNS, but the demand for Namecoin may be low relative to other cryptocurrencies. As a result, it could be difficult for Namecoin to attract developers and user adoption. Namecoin is a great option for investors looking to get started in the world of cryptocurrency, but it's important to understand the risks and rewards associated with investing in this particular asset class. Namecoin has a smaller supply than Bitcoin, which could potentially lead to increased value, but it is also a slower blockchain, so it may take longer for its value to increase. Namecoin hosts its own decentralized DNS, but the demand for Namecoin may be low relative to other cryptocurrencies. As a result, it could be difficult for Namecoin to attract developers and user adoption. How to buy Namecoin. The first step to buying Namecoin is to set up a cryptocurrency wallet. There are a few different options when it comes to wallets, including desktop wallets, hardware wallets, paper wallets, and exchange wallets. The best option for you will depend on your individual circumstances and needs. Once you have a wallet set up, you can then go out and buy some Namecoin. There are a few different ways you can purchase Namecoin, including buying it directly on an exchange, trading other cryptocurrencies for it, or mining it yourself. Security tips for investing in Namecoin. Like all cryptocurrencies, Namecoin is a high-risk investment, so it's important to take steps to protect your investment. Here are a few tips to help keep your Namecoin secure. Make sure you're using a trustworthy wallet. A wallet is like a bank account for your crypto assets, so it's important to find a trustworthy wallet. It's also important to follow the security best practices for your particular wallet. Don't store all of your crypto in one wallet. If you store all of your crypto in one wallet, you are at risk of losing all of your assets if that wallet is hacked or stolen. It's a good idea to diversify your assets and store some of them in a paper wallet or a hardware wallet to reduce your risk. Keep your computer safe from viruses. Viruses are a common way for hackers to access your computer and steal your crypto assets. Make sure you're following best practices to keep your computer secure. Namecoin wallets. When deciding which type of wallet is right for you, it's important to consider both the security of your assets and the cost of the transaction fees. Here are a few of the most common types of wallets and their pros and cons. Desktop wallets. Desktop wallets are installed on your computer and give you full control over your assets. However, if your computer is hacked, the hacker will have full access to your wallet. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are not connected to the internet, so they can't be hacked. However, they come with a higher initial investment and higher transaction fees than other types of wallets. Paper wallets. Paper wallets are printed versions of your crypto wallets that aren't connected to the internet. However, they are less secure than other types of wallets, and if you lose your paper wallet, you lose all of your assets. Exchange wallets. Exchange wallets are hosted on a third-party website and are connected to the internet. Although this makes them easier to use, it also makes them more vulnerable to hacking. Namecoin mining. Namecoin's mining algorithm is more complex than that of Bitcoin, which makes it less profitable and more expensive to mine. Mining Namecoin is still profitable in some areas, but it may not be as lucrative as mining Bitcoin. Namecoin mining requires a computer with a good graphics card and a bit of knowledge. If you don't know how to set up a computer to mine cryptocurrency, you can still earn Namecoins by staking them. Staking means holding your Namecoins in your wallet for a certain amount of time, usually a year. In return for holding your coins, you earn a percentage of new Namecoins generated from mining. Namecoin price predictions. It's never a good idea to try to predict the future, but as an investor, you're probably curious about how Namecoin may perform in the future. It's important to remember that predicting the future price of any investment is a risky and unproven practice. You should always do your research and only invest what you can afford to lose. If you're interested in predicting the future of Namecoin, grab a cup of coffee and start doing your research. Read up on Namecoin's history and development, look into the competition it faces, and try to determine whether or not Namecoin will continue to be valuable in the future. You can also read up on where other investors are putting their money. To learn more about investing in general, check out our guide. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and click on the notification bell.